This video is to learn how to separate text strings in columns. These are our cells which we want to separate in next columns. First, we will select these cells. Then we will go to Data tab, and then we'll click Text to Columns. This is Text to Column Wizard. It shows different options for separating the text. First option, delimited. If selected, will separate text on characters like comma, space, or tab. Second option, fixed width, is used when the text is aligned in such a way that it can be separated by fixed size width. Here we will use the first option and then click the next. Here you can see different delimiter, or in other words, the options or basis which can be used to separate the text. We will use the space option and we'll click the next. This window shows the option for data type of each column in which the data will be separated. As our data is in text, we will select text for all columns. As we have selected text type for all columns, now we will click Finish. This is the result. All words are separated by spaces. It means wherever there is a space, Excel push that word to a new column. With this tool, you can separate your text data in given formats. I hope this video did help you. Thank you.